my family, so just showing y'all how you do it.
Don't record me, please. Looking like this. Yeah.
So right now, I'm using a stick, trying to get the tool out the pole. The stick will help because the rubber is right now is sticking it. So you like to put like a stick up in it, all around it, so you can take the stuff out. You might want to put it in there. Just use the other side. It took us a while doing this. If you can't get the rubber off, and you might just want to use this. If you don't have this stick, you could just grab one off the branch. I'm struggling right now trying to take this rubber off because it's really tight. There we go. So now I can take it off. I need like a spin, a twist, and I'd be able to take off my pole. You see there? That is how you take off a pole with the stick. If you don't have one, you can, like I said, you can take one off the branch and use it. But yeah, again, I'm just showing you how you do this.
Say that is.
And that's it. The end.